Hey guys, we're camping in Destin, Florida. It's our lovely camping spot, and wanted to show you what we're doing for breakfast. So I did a lot of research online, and there's not a lot of videos about using the sous vide for cooking at camp. But for breakfast this morning, I made a batch of eggs and ham, and I've already cooked it and I froze it. Remove the air, and then same with this batch of bacon. We're going to use the sous vide to just reheat it. We also have pulled pork that we did that, ham and potatoes, a lot of different meals. So another great way to use your sous vide is when you go camping. Also add a little bit of butter in here so it can melt as this reheats the scrambled eggs. But simple camping cooking. We're just waiting for the Anova sous vide to get up to temperature. It's on its way up to 160, and again we're just going to use this to reheat our food that we cooked at home, just to make camp life more luxurious and more simple. In go the bacon and eggs. Alright, eggs and bacon are all warmed up in the sous vide. Moment of truth, time to open them up.
You can have 2 plates and 1 fork. I may have 1 plate, 2 forks, and you can have
eggs.
2 plates.
You want to serve those?
You can have no plate, but you can have a fork.
What?
You want to serve the eggs?
Yeah.
Here comes the bacon.
Everyone has two plates. Holly, you've got that's 24.
Ooh, it's still crispy.
Get that in your place before it gets. Get it off the ground.
I can't reach it.
It's still crispy. That's good.
Beaver, get out and get it. So we can use it in the
So there's the finished result. It tastes like freshly made scrambled eggs and cooked bacon, and still crispy. Well, sous vide camping. Here's another sous vide example we're doing for lunch. These are hamburger patties that I cooked beforehand, spiced them up the way we wanted. Got 6 of them in there because they're double stacked on the bottom. But then these were put in airtight little plastic and then frozen for our trip. So we're just going to put them in the sous vide and reheat them for lunch.